If your Oral-B electric toothbrush is flashing a yellow light, this typically indicates a low battery warning or charging system issue. The yellow light usually activates when your toothbrush battery charge drops below 20%. There are two main flashing patterns to understand. Continuous flashing often points to charging problems, while intermittent flashing suggests battery degradation. This issue is common across multiple Oral-B models, including the Pro Series, Genius Collection, and IO Series. It has become a widespread concern among users in 2024 and 2025. The root causes include natural battery aging after 2 to 3 years of use, overcharging from leaving the toothbrush on the charger continuously, moisture damage, and manufacturing defects, particularly noted in 2022 to 2023 production batches. Keep in mind that different Oral-B series may use varying light patterns and colors to indicate their status, so always refer to your specific model's manual for precise meanings. When your Oral-B toothbrush shows a flashing yellow light, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. First, try a simple reset procedure. Hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds to reset the charging system. Next, clean the charging contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue or corrosion that might interfere with proper charging. Also avoid charging in high-temperature environments, as lithium-ion batteries are particularly sensitive to heat damage. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, you'll need to consider long-term solutions. For persistent yellow light issues, battery replacement is often the most effective solution. Professional battery replacement typically costs between $40 and $60 and is available through authorized service centers. DIY replacement is also possible if you're technically inclined, though it requires proper tools and careful handling. Check if your unit qualifies for extended warranty coverage, especially if purchased between 2022 and 2024, as many units from this period are eligible for free replacement. To prevent future yellow light issues, follow these simple maintenance practices. Prevention is always better than repair. Here are key practices to extend your toothbrush battery life. Remove the toothbrush from its charger once fully charged. Continuous charging can degrade the battery over time. Store your toothbrush in a cool, dry place and clean the charging contacts regularly to maintain optimal performance. Following these troubleshooting steps and prevention practices will help you resolve yellow light issues and extend your toothbrush's lifespan.